Good morning, everyone. It's me again, Jen. So today is the third episode of the Tipid Makeup Series. And as a twist, I'm gonna do it inside the car. Yung challenge to do your makeup inside the car. And also, I think I'm gonna do a natural smoky eyes for today. So before I start, let's say hi sa mga tao dito sa mga tao at baby dito sa nasa car. Hi, tita.
Hello! Good morning!
Good
Welcome
morning.
back to my channel!
Good morning, Connor. Good morning. Good morning po. Hello.
I'm sleepy, Tati!
Good morning, Kuya Toy. Can I see you? He's also vlogging me. Good morning, Touch.
Good morning.
Kita ba? My brother is a hater. Kung nagtataka kayo kung sino yung nagko-comment ng afat eyes sa mga vlogs ko, kapatid ko yun. Yung may baby na icon, yung kanyang user. So ayan, ayos ko muna to. Ayos natin ang camera natin. So magiging wobbly ang video na to. Kasi nga, nandito tayo sa sakyan. So I have all of my makeup here. Ayos muna natin. Yan, masyado ba tayong malapit? Natutulog na yung baby namin. Wait lang. Pwede mong ma-atras tong chair? Ah, hindi eh. Ikaw dapat mag-forward konti dyan. Konti lang. Ayan. Okay. Ow! Nag-move talaga siya. Ayan. Ano ba to? Ba't ganito? Ano ba natin i-arrange?
Yan yung camera mo i-adjust.
Masyado siyang hirap naman. Wait lang. Alright, so start na tayo. So I'll just put this. Extra moisture. Then I'm using the EV Cosmetics Real Aqua Whitening. Aqua Moisturizing Cream with Whitening. Yung baby dito natutulog na. May aircon na kasi. Today pupunta kami dun sa Korean Mart. Saan bumili kami ng mga tteokbokki. And also the daikon kasi ubos na. We're going to have a samgyeopsal party. Feeling ko talaga hindi na makahinga yung kapatid ko. He's one of those people who can't sit still for a minute or so.
Yeah, that's right.
Pwede naman may soya fat. Then I'm using this Ever Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation in the Oriental shade. Suffer talaga yung kapatid ko. Alam ko nag-suffer siya kasi. Okay, I'm putting it here. So I'm just doing very sheer coverage for today. So ano yung aking salamin. Tapos salamin. You can't see my face. So hindi lang yung kapatid ko ang ADHD. Pati yung papa ko actually. Can't keep their mouth shut. Dapat meron tayong challenge sa kanila.
Nangato na
Okay. Then I'm doing the concealer stick in the medium shade. Nahulog to eh.
Ano yan?
Ang pinaka-struggle lang talaga when it comes to doing your makeup inside the car is the eyebrows. So usually tinatiming ko siya sa stoplight. Setting it with the Matte Fair Oriental EV Matte 2-Way Cake Refill. Where I put my concealer. just gonna set the rest of my face. To remove the powdery feel, just spray everything and then just back. And then I forgot to moisturize my lips. Yay! Nag-stop ang car. So, take advantage. Tulog na yung baby dito. Okay, so we're done with the setting of the face. I'll do my contour first. Blush and highlights. Ano ba? Gusto mo talagang magpakita. Ayan o.
Oh my God.
Payat na daw siya.
Oh my goodness.
Kasi yung baby. Yan, baby
the
namin.
baby is sleeping.
There.
There, oh, baby namin. Nag-sleep.
Sleepy baby.
Masyadong strict to ang kanyang eyes. Oh.
Strict talaga yung baby no.
But his eyes, very strict.
Ito yung advance birthday gift namin kay mama. Kasi we got him August pa lang. Ang birthday ni mama is on October pa. So he is 1 month old. Almost 2 months na. So watch out for the vlog na winelcome siya nila Kuya Coco at Kuya Chubby at Kuya Conan. Okay. So natural smoky eyes, I will just be using browns lang for my eyes. Blush. To make sure the blush will always connect with the contour para hindi siya parang naka-stand alone. Okay, and then highlights. Yung highlight. Done with that. So, ngayon gagawin natin ang ating eyeshadow first. Mamaya na ako magkikilay. So, for the eyeshadow, I will be using this 3 colors at the top. So, if you will remember from the second episode, I used these 3 colors at the bottom. Right now, I'm gonna be using the 3 colors at the top. So, this will be my light shade, this will be my dark, this will be my medium. Okay? So, the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna put the light shade all over my lids. So, I'll get this one all over my lid. Ayan, so washed out na yung buong lids with light shade. After that, we're gonna go ahead with transition shade. I'll use another brush. Okay, right now, so I'm going to dip my brush, this brush. It's like a small crease brush to the transition shade or the medium shade. Tap off the excess. So I'm gonna be concentrating this on the crease in order to prepare our transition shade. So if you will notice, I'm just holding the brush at the end so that I will not be putting too much pressure on my eyes and it will blend well this way. So this will seem like I have a crease even if I don't. Kasi nga hooded yung eyes ko. So just go back and forth just to deepen that crease. Okay, so if you're satisfied with that, you could go ahead with balik ako sa brush kanina, shader brush, and then I will be dipping my brush on the dark shade na for our smoky eyes. Ito. Yan, so lagay lang natin siya first dito sa baba. Don't worry kung hindi siya masyado dark. We could just spray some mist later to darken it. Yan, diba? So, natural lang siya na smoky eyes. So, I'm giving my mascara another chance today. So, I will be using it at the top lang hindi ko na siya gagamitin sa baba. Kasi last time, nung second episode, I saw that it worked well kung nasa taas lang siya. Pero pag gagamitin mo siya sa baba, sa lower lash line, nag-bleed siya. And also as a tight line. So, I'm not gonna use it as a tight line. Then go back to your blending brush kanina. No, I'm getting another brush na. So, this one is the clean na blending brush. So, just blend the edges. Make sure na walang mga harsh edges. Yan. Go up to the other eyes. Yan. And then, just to deepen that shade, sa dark shade natin, I'm gonna spray a mist on the brush. And then dip it in the... Babasain natin siya para mas may kapit yung ating dark shade. See the difference? Mas nagiging dark siya, diba? Yan. So that's the difference. Blend tayo ulit. I will just do the other side. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeshadow sa taas. Papantay ko lang siya sa baba. And so just smoke it out. Yeah. Then we're gonna do liner using the mascara. So ayan, nilagay ko dito yung mascara. Medyo basa pa siya, so gagawin ko. Padry ko muna. I will do my eyebrows first habang nagda-dry up ito. So I'll do my brows off cam as usual. Okay, so alright, so I'm done with my brows. I just use, as usual, the Crease Brow Liner with mascara in the Happy Taupe shade. And I'm just cleaning up the brow bone area with the concealer. Ayan, nahulog na yung ating, ano. Then, setting it with a highlighter. Brow area lang. So, I'm just letting the mascara dry up. So, I'm gonna use this brush. This is Marinaud from Watson's lang. It's one of my old brushes. So, I'm gonna use this as my eyeliner brush. So I will try and wing a little bit. Ayan yung baby namin, no? Baby! Connor! Connor! Hello! Oh, Connor! Tingnan natin sa different lighting. Different lighting tayo. Alright, so this is the final look of my natural smoky eyes. Yan. So, how are you liking it? So, if you have any questions with the products that I used, I will be putting down everything on the description box below. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, violent reactions about this natural smoky eyes, just put it down in the comment section below. So, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Si mama na sa likod. Alright, so that's it, you guys. Have a great day. Bye! So, nandito kami sa Korean Mart. Bili kami for tomorrow samgyeopsal party. So ayan, may mga nakaripak. Tapos ito yung tteokbokki. Then ito yung radish. Daikon. Yung baby nandito. Ikaw, kung gusto ko magdugang ana. Kanang mura green. Ito dami dito, di ba?
Color green?
Oh, kanang green, good. Korean, fine. Baby. Ayun yung baby. Ang baby. Ang laki-laki talaga ng kanyang paws. Ang kanyang paws. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Bebe. 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 Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Connor. Good morning.